Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will learn how to reach to your error faster just by clicking. In a previous video I showed it using debug bar, but now we will implement it with Laravel error page itself. As we can see here in .env file, I have set debug bar editor to VS Code instead of PHP store, right? And now I open debug bar, and if I click on this icon here, it will take me to the file itself, right? As you can see. But for example, we may face this screen. I will say error in a fake view. It will lead to an error. And if we notice here, this line or file and line error source is clickable. And if you notice here, it starts with PHP storm. So how can we fix it to be opened in our editor or IDE? If we go to the end of the page, we can see here this is by Ignition Laravel package, which by default comes with any Laravel project. As you can see here, Laravel Ignition, Spotty Laravel Ignition here, source code on GitHub, right? And if we open the code here and inside Composer, vendor, and inside Spotty folder, and here Laravel Ignition, and we have config, and if we open ignition.php file here, we can see first parameter ignition editor is by default PHP store, and as we can see, supported PHP store, VS Code, and other editors. And what should we do now is we will define this ignition editor inside our .env file, and I will say use VS Code. Now if I back and refresh here, now I can click it and it will be opened inside VS Code. Hope it makes sense. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next video.